Describe a time when you took a break from work study. First of all, you should make some points like: first point, when was it? Second point, why you took a break? Third point, what did you do during that time? Fourth point, why did you dislike it? You have to remember these main points while speaking. Let's start with introduction. It cannot be disputed that taking time off from work is a crucial aspect of our lives. It's worth clarifying that I recently took a vacation from my work. First point, when was it? And why you took a break? The corona pandemic forced me to take a hiatus from my job. The government declared a lockdown last year to stop the deadly virus's spread. All employees had no choice but to resign from their positions because my organization did not offer the possibility to work from home. I stayed home for 8 months as a result. Second point, what did you do during that time? I was free at that time. But sadly, the first month was a complete waste because I blew the opportunity to spend quality time by binge-watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, and other OTT services. After a while, I found watching TV to be boring, so I made the decision to learn something new. So I asked my family and friends for advice on what to learn, and my elder brother suggested that I learn about digital marketing. I made the decision to learn digital marketing and watched numerous YouTube tutorials, but I still needed more. After that, I enrolled in an online course under the supervision of an experienced instructor, and with his unwavering support, I was able to become an expert in digital marketing in 4 months. Third point, why did you dislike it? The break from work was good for me since it caused a change in thinking. I was unable to learn a new skill because of my intense work schedule, but the break caused a fundamental change in my life by permitting me to pick up a skill that is in high demand currently. Follow-up questions related to cue card. First question, do you think taking breaks is important? I believe that taking pauses is a wise strategy since it enables us to refresh and think creatively about how to resolve difficulties in our life. Second question, what skills people should acquire during breaks? Technology has become a significant part of our lives in the modern day, and with its unwavering assistance, we may guide our careers toward an incredible growth trajectory. Therefore, we should educate ourselves on emerging talents like digital marketing, content creation, artificial intelligence, etc. during downtime. Third question, how do you feel when you do regular work and do not get breaks? Taking breaks is vital to me because when I work continuously, my performance suffers and I struggle to think beyond the box. Fourth question, does taking breaks to decline our performance? In certain circumstances, taking breaks at regular intervals causes us to perform worse because we lose consistency.